What are you looking at, Wim? What is up, nerd friends? Welcome back. We're going nerd venturing again. This time, we're going back to TDS. I got some really fun footage. I did have a very small amount of RC footage that we're going to share with you. There's some X-Max racing, some Slash racing. I get asked all the time, Charlie, why do you get to go to TDS Enduro, and what does Hobbywing have to do with it? Well, it's pretty unique that they have an RC track there, and in the downtime, we kind of do demos. There's a handful of bike riders that bring RC cars, and they go out there and run around, have a good time. Jameson Florence, Pacific Northwest RC, that's his Instagram handle. Local Mustache Mike. Get way into this stuff, and we get to share the love and the fun of RC, kind of put on some races, some demos, have a good time. Again, I'm sorry, I don't have a bunch of footage of this, but trust me, there were people cheering for us while we were racing. It was awesome. I did tap in a cameraman here and there, and the footage is what it is. We had some good footage, some bad footage. I had one guy who swore he got me some good footage, but I think he was not recording because I got two really short clips of his thumb and then like nothing happening. So I think he had the light wrong, but anyway, it is what it is. But we do have some mountain bike background stuff here. I wanted to kind of tour around a little bit and show what these races are about because it's pretty interesting to me. The start of the race, I get to hang out and do some heckling with Weir. We get to check out the opposite trail that you saw from the motorcycle race, Vigilante, but they go down it on the mountain bike, so that's very cool. There's a pit bike race that goes on there. They actually let me be the announcer for that, and while sadly, once again, I don't have any excellent footage of my announcing of this pit bike race. People told me it was awesome, and I did see some Facebook Lives that happened, and it was pretty cool. So shout out and thanks to all the pit bike racers that show up and do that every year. It's one of my favorite parts of TDS for sure, and they let me announce and make people clap. It was a good time. TDS gets a little fun after hours, if you will, and there's a Roman candle war. I love Roman candle wars, so you'll see. So just let me know in the comments down below. You like stuff like this? You don't like stuff like this? We love to hear it. We love your feedback. I love RC. The more I show people RC, the better. And I think it's an interesting crossover. Met a ton of fun people in the bike segment that are really into RC and got introduced to it from this event. So I think it's kind of important to share stuff like this every once in a while. Hope you enjoy. You've seen RC car starts. This is mountain bike starts. It's just all the people chilling. And they roll out every 30 seconds. There's a master clock right there. I don't know if you can see that or not. And they got the gatekeeper that rolls them out. Stickman, aka what's his Instagram? Pacific Northwest RC Life, PNWRC_RC Life, is also a nearly full-time mountain bike racer in his spare time. He is in the men's e-bike class, and that's Jesse right behind him, Enduro bro. He's getting ready, dude. Look at the intensity. Let's go, Stickman.
Go, Jameson.
Pedal hard for the camera. Look at him go. He's making roost.
Who's roosting?
Jesse has more fun than most people on the mountain. It's not fair. Settle down with all that fun. What's he doing? He's bar humping, dude. Go! Make a roost! Make a roost! Oh, you stopped pedaling. I've reached another area of the TDS, and you traverse the mountain. Luckily for us, we get to use mini motos and don't have to walk around. There's my mini moto over there. High action spot. They come ripping through here and mock chicken. And we'll get down here. You guys see this rock garden that they drop into. Ryder!
You don't get him! You don't get him!
He's got music. That guy's so cool. Ryder! Why are they so close together? You guys are too close. After that little drop in, dude. You can't see it, but here comes a bike. Stickman's next. Come on, Stickman! Jesse!
You're good.
backpack leaf blower. His name's Mark Weir.
This is a low pressure system.
How do I make it super loud? I want a party.
Haven't even showed. Did he just throw the bike up the hill?
You got a flat tire, bro.
Oh, it's coming right for us.
Hug him. Dude, where's the leaf blower?
Start the leaf blower, quick.
Leaf blower.
That was sick.
I jinxed you, buddy. That's my bad.
Wilcox!
Oh, canyon on one, dude.
Look at him go, dude.
Motorbike Lewis! That was fun. Let's go, Lewis!
I really hope it doesn't rain that much tomorrow. I have a...
Yeah, now who was wrong?
Oh, don't get hit.
Sorry, buddy. Damn.
Hey, you guys, you can't be down there.
Hey, fellas, get to the high side.
These trucks are heavier than you.
We're not that good at this. Come up here off the track, like in the safety zone. Hey, fellas, back up.
Can't see over your head.
See over your head. I'll get to that.
Sometimes you hit the throttle and this is no steering. Oh God.
Well, we went and got the RCs out so they'd get the hint. on fire a little bit. Do you have questions, comments, or concerns? You can email us directly, NorthAmerica@Hobbywing.com. Do you like podcasts? We do a podcast. It's called RC Stuff, powered by Hobbywing. You can find it on your favorite podcast service. We give away free RC stuff each and every episode. All you have to do to find out how to enter to win is listen to an episode. Again, it's RC Stuff, powered by Hobbywing. And as always, folks, thanks for watching another episode of The Charlie Show right here on the Hobbywing official YouTube channel. We'll see you next time.
You were totally helping.
I was helping.
You were totally helping.
welcome.
I was helping.
You were helping.
I was helping.
You were definitely helping.
I think my wife's really embarrassed.